ZRP the Magistrates Court. It was the civil justice system was my chief Edward Zio pavanotangira nepavanogumira in terms of the areas of jurisdiction pavatonga nyaya idzi because vaingotonga dzese dzere vaingotonga early marriages they would support it or in a way they would do okay warora komwana mudiki asi chiunza nemombe yamambo zvabva zvapera. So they were also educated in those terms with Iowa ABCD. If you witness kuroro kwemwana mudiki, you are complicit to it, you are taking part in it, therefore you also are warranted for arrest. The justice system tawaingenja for us that process the justice system yedu yakarebesa given our location rape victim anokwasanzoke ichingwenda kumapolisa zvokuti nyaya inotongerwa kubhindura. We are engaging them in the process of engaging them. Tadi kuti tiri so that red tape was speed it up kuti zvikasire kuitika because the last time when one story was about a girl after that long process zvabva zvatora mazuva makore on the final day when she got into court she said that number rape because angafizuka nazvo she had to go home angatoti because every time she would go there somebody new would ask her chii chakaitika kwauri. She would re-narrate that story and that's an ordeal, a nightmare for an underage girl. So we're engaging them today. We want to speed up that process. Yeah, it was gaga. And the bail conditions, our communities are not aware. Because when I'm talking about bail conditions, we all guarantee community more. My victims, they don't even know my rights are okay. Pamwe akatonza afano kucommunicate nema victims acho, but yanga ndachitwa vairira. Ndadzoka. What's that? And sometimes the parent down justice system actually up and down. I don't know better negopiwa ma damages. But the victim will still be there, traumatized. Through Katwa again, to support my victims, they've introduced a God's project to support my victims and my communities. Batsirike, a person project. Mbudzi vari pagrupu zikangozvarana vachingotambizana kusvikira at the end of the day munhu nemunhu anenge ane mbudzi dzake. I think in a nutshell some of those my counterparts here would want to input pane ndangosirira. That's what is happening here in Miri. Do we have any questions for us or we proceed to our agenda? Is there agenda here? The latest campaigns that are on board right now, but let me get accurate assistance from Women Affairs and ZRP who are here present with us. Radha, do you want to say something?
Well, I think you've already said it to DC. Thank you so much. Maybe over to VFU if ever there's anything that is left, I can be word. But Joshua, I will take it on. Sasa is a good intervention. Let's sensitizer. Some awareness campaigns, but starting phase. Communities ekanga chirisponda zveshuwa patazoitawo makommunities emazengomane maactivists edu angachilobhawo varimo momo vanenge vachiziva kuti izvo wakabatwa apa wabatwa padont touch izvo wakadai so izvi zvibvira zvisensitizewa kubva kuvana kusvikawo kuvanhu vakuru zvoti ichiita inopawo kuti mukana wekuclusion nyanga wakaremara vandoziva kuti wakadai so vanhu vanenge vasingazvinzwisisa vatofunga ndozvairi saka zviri kutibatsira. Thank you.
Let me add on to say that kunoku our early child marriages are quite unique. Because this is something tikangonzwa kuti early child marriages ndazove kumanika post vari muno munobva mafunga zvepamarange zviya. Kunoku it's two ana. The father is 16, the mother is 14. Totororana twakadaro. When I got here the first time, ndakaenda pachitora vanhu kuti vana vakamirawo mukiu varodawo mirawo because batsirotora mabirth kana nichi matenzi emasports aya. Ndo vangotora vabereki vacho vatoya kuzotoroka mwana kauchi. You see, that's the unique feature. Because tikangotaura kuti early child marriages kunokumbira, we will go to the Marange scenario, but Kunoku is different. It's unique. Such that when we're talking about these issues, we need also to bring in the boy child. But as we say, there's a future ahead. Upenyu hauperi pamarriage. Anditi. Kune maconstraints akangowandawo munyika medu. Zvikoro zviri kure nakure. Kune nzara, and probably the quick exit out of this kutuma kuchikoro nevabereki. Mbera tingoroorana tatovabereki tivatarigera kwenda kuchikoro kwacho. Because anoenda kuchikoro achifunga achida kunobudirira hwake. Anditi. Asvika kuchikoro kuya anenge akaneta. Afamba some 10 kilometers. Munga chikabva kana 20 kilometers a day. So there's nothing motivating than also watch. You see, so that's our unique scenario here in Bid.
Yeah, I also wanted to know, since muri kumgano kubodare Mozambique ne Zambia,
yeah,
other provinces like Mad South, for example, kunenge kwarenma vachita kusenana South Africa. Vana vadiki vanokasika kusiya chikoro because they want to cross kuenda South Africa because vanenge vachiti kune the so-called greener pastures kama asiko kunokwa mune ere ma-problems evana vanenge vachida kubvawo kuno vachiti vari kuenda kuMozambique or Zambia vachinge vadiki vachisiya chikoro ma-dropouts and so on.
It could be there but not very prevalent.
So hakuna chiri attractive iripo.
We marry each other and then we stay.
So I'm curious, Nepal, Matala, Yana, 14-16. What strategies have been put in place to try and alleviate that? Yes, also could it be one intervention? And what has been the situation, say, since the program was introduced?
Okay, let me ask my child protection contact person, Mr. Masakanda.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, already standing programs that are implemented by government, also being supported with its partners. But of key, especially working together with the cards who are implementing this SASA, we have been working on awarenesses. I think we have been working very hard doing awarenesses so that people tend to be sensitized and become aware, because I think the community, also children and even adults, they seem to be lagging behind in terms of their education. So it's not something that can be that can be stopped immediately. But I think it needs some structural systems and multi-sectoral approach so that we'll be working together. Could at the end of the day, the system. So we are implementing the case management, and I think SASA had come to strengthen the system, because the system, you know, if the system is not supported, it can be just a way of doing things. Then if supported, it become maybe an organized way of doing things. If more support, it becomes a systematic way of doing things. So we appreciate support from our partners as we are implementing this system to strengthen our child protection system, and our referral system is also in place. So I think these are the systems that are assisting, but partners are supporting us very well, because they are doing a lot. Because the voucher system, sometimes case home visits, and sometimes they also support for those children to access justice. So I think these and many other ways, they are of help to us to in an attempt to reduce the impact. I think that's all.
Is assisting in training some peer educators in school and out of school. Since most of our early marriages were involving vana vari kudini vari kuroorana vari vana. So we trained peer educators in school in partnership with the Katswe, Ministry of Education and other relevant ministries. And also with the National AIDS Council, with the Young People's Network, a group of young peer educators who represent different sectors, especially those sectors, they are chief spread of the HIV, the young people representing the people living with disabilities, young people representing those with living with HIV. So different sectors. So those people, they cascade information other youth who are in those sectors. So through training peer educators, it helped a lot to solve these cases, especially in school and out of school. Because early marriages, they are happening in school, they are happening to youth out of school. So the concept here, SASA, to train our peer educators, is bringing in better results.
Sister to sister program, which is benefiting girls a lot, but these girls are living in communities where there are men, and these men remain raw and not educated enough in terms of sexual and reproductive health and refraining from other social evils. So there is the brother to brother program that has just been started, and it is spreading into districts. I'm not sure whether we have started this end, but other districts have already started, some of which we will visit tomorrow. So the hope is that this program will spread to all districts in the country, so that the boys are equally equipped, just as the girls are, to know what it means in terms of early sexual debut, early parenting, and to be empowered in other means other than going into sexual relations. Also, there is the Behavior Change Community Mobilizers Program, BCCMs. I'm not sure whether they are here also this side, or whether they've started. Also targeted to men of all ages. And we target them in places where men are usually found, like bars or the big tank. So we are trying to target everyone, not leaving anyone behind. Because like we mentioned earlier on, as long as there's gender-based violence, sexual relations are not balanced also, and we end up having more HIV infections. So by reducing GBV cases, we are controlling the spread of HIV also.
As part of the SASA model, we have also added the He for She campaign that is targeting boys and men on positive masculinity. And like what you mentioned, that you target men, maybe it's beer wars, church. That is what we are also doing in the wards that SASA is being implemented. And also, when you go to the field, you're also going to meet some of the male champions who are also going to share their stories on the work they've been doing as far as raising awareness on issues around gender-based violence is concerned. As well as the male champions, they were also encouraging other male counterparts to go and test it for HIV. So we've been working with the Ministry of Health, doing outreaches in the community so that the men can go and test it for HIV. So that is also the work that we are doing with some of the stakeholders here as far as issues around gender-based violence and HIV are concerned.
Okay. In addition to that, there is this program here, Gender Champions, where we identify males who treat their families zvakanaka, asati amborepoterwa kumapurisa, mwanasikana ari kuenda kuchikoro, etc. Let's have you.
Distance to school, I understand multi-pollution funds.
Yes.
I wanted to know budget funds.
Okay. All right. This year we allocated 8 million. And we utilized all of it. Takanangana score. I think for Mamchu Yakuno Maona, there are a lot of structures. Score. Remember, we are the lower part of Gurue. This district only began functioning in 2006. And the upper part of Gurue was benefiting from funds like Vakuno. And so it's a new district, and we are making every stride. And that 8 million in devolution, we are one of the first districts who paid the census. We are still awaiting. Yes, our emphasis is schools.
And how many are they?
Maybe I'll give you a down. You're not going to buy a breakdown. But the nobody devolution is better than the but our main focus in the deeper of the growth is through education. In all those related social services. There's a school in Ozipandi where we are constructing a classroom block in the same detached house. The same detached house, you go towards the two batteries, and the total is reduced by second term of an for school. Then in what two ways is operating, name area Kukomba, where the classroom block to construct at the same time they by my teacher and my traders. And we are expecting all things being equal. In the material we are to trade to come, we can go and see good contractors at the site. And also, we made a resolution. In the partnership with the World Vision, we have schools, the World Vision is giving us materials. The communities are mobilizing and the council, to be married solution, we are paying the builders. With Tanaka Primary School, Machongwe Primary School, Nishangu Primary School, in other schools, even with my secondary attached already go reduce. Even if you go to Amber, we have a resolution standing. I don't know teach about this because what you guys which colors require. So all in all we are saying is the local authority. Our focus and trust is to develop my schools and so that we reduce my distances.
Yes, especially yes, especially my secondary schools. That's the situation. But when it comes to my primary schools, my distance actually my primary schools I got to wonder Furachi, my secondary. We have 19 secondary schools and 36 primary schools. So my distance I'm to Fambiwa in the secondary. I got the rate of report documents we have not 40 kilometers per hour. Which you times by 5 days. We will go out.
Okay, thank you. Global figures actually, one did it. I see which we are making an effort to try to reduce those. Do we have any more questions or we proceed with our program, the program for now?
But I think in working towards to reduce GBV and HIV infections, as the National AIDS Council, we have some coordination meetings that we do at district level. I think all stakeholders who are in here are members of the DAC. That is the District AIDS Action Committee. We work, the main duties is to coordinate activities that are meant to combat or to reduce the spread of HIV and AIDS or even sexual or gender-based violence in the district. And this one is done through multi-sectoral response. We work with government ministries, partners who are into SGBV and HIV prevention. So at government, at that level, we expect 15 members to be part of that committee. And the committees, they spread to village level. We have WAKI, we have BAKI. At the village level, we have the Village AIDS Action Committee doing the same, conducting meetings, conducting trainings, sensitizing communities about how best to prevent the spread of HIV and AIDS and how best to stop sexual gender-based violence. Then from ward level, we have work, that is the Ward Action, AIDS Action Committee. So the village, they fit into the work. Then work, they fit into DAC, that is the District AIDS Action Committee. At DAC level, that's where we make some resolutions. That's where we make, not resolutions, that's where we consolidate the information gathered, starting at the village level, ward level, then at district level, then we consolidate the information that fits in PAC, that is the Provincial AIDS Action Committee. Then the PAC is the main body at the provincial level. So, in short, I think as National AIDS Council, working in partnership with other stakeholders, this is what we are doing here in the district. And we do have different forums like the MIPA. This is a forum where people living with HIV and AIDS discuss issues that are affecting them. And they feed it to the District AIDS Action Committee. And also we have the Task Force Forum. This is a technical committee, an 8-member technical committee. This one is there to come up with technical advices on how best to stop the spread of HIV and also SGBV cases in the district. So at first, the task force, that is the technical committee, and it's an 8-member committee that sits quarterly, and it feeds what they have discussed at task force forums. They feed the information to the stakeholders, then from stakeholders to DAC, then DAC to PAC, that is the Provincial AIDS Action Committee. Thank you, DPs.
Okay. I'm looking at the program here. It seems like to be indicating the Pachitaga tour. So I'll speed up everything. Minister of Health, can we have your presentation?
Okay. As Minister of Health, in improving lives of survivors, we are providing a 24-hour service to all SGBV clients in the sense of whatever time they come in need of service, we are doing that. Anytime, even during the night, we wake up and do the work that is supposed to be done. And we are also engaging partners in integration of our health services whilst doing outreaches. By then we are saying there is need for education, communities, they need to be sensitized. So whenever we are talking about HIV and AIDS, we are talking about prevention of cervical cancer, we are also talking about how to prevent SGBV and how to have ways to minimize our cases and prevent early child marriages. So whenever we gather people, especially at hospital level, at clinic level, we are giving health education to all people that who come for any other services. And we are also survivors, they are getting all their services for free. Nothing is being paid for. If they come when they were encountered in a, let's say, a sexual encounter, a rape victim, they will get all their services for free. They won't pay for anything. So as Minister of Health, we are working tirelessly to help survivors and improve their lives, even though, and we'll also engage other stakeholders, social services, Cardspace Sister will be helping us a lot, NAC, ZACH. We are working as a team, all the stakeholders.
Okay, thank you for that brief one. Like I said, my presence is close and as we go to what to. Let's say
gender-based violence, to offer counseling services, to offer dialogue, also through support system, fuel voucher system, to transport our survivors, to access a service, either VFU, health, or to refer my cases at no criminal, my local courts, also with my regular visits. Kuma survivors kusvika taona kuti condition kana situation yacho yakamira sei kana akuda kuzonga achizorifewa either to safe shelter kuita ma recommendations until the survivor aenda ikoko. Also we are trying kuti madzimai participate on the economic mainstream so that vavewo nekuzvikwanisa kuzvimiririra. Izvi zvozvipedza even kana mukuredusa ma-early marriages, because kuvana takaona kuti vamwe vazhinji inyaya yepoverty. Also through SASA projects we managed to train my young girls entrepreneurship. Vakwanisa kuwanawo even ma-sewing machines zvotovatava ma-clubs esewing kurikuzama kuda kubridge the gap refinancial. Uye zvekare madzimai achona tivakurudza kuti vave mimikando ma-ice house, so that apinda mumukando ane access to finance takubhesa the financial inclusion. Ndingangoti for me ringandivopo my boss kana pane kutanga
iri district rakanaka zvoriri nyowani. Hati pamadzika pai maona tichidzika iskapini ndo mavhuradona iyayi. Mavhuradona mwemwe we have opportunities for stands for holiday homes ekuti munogona kuuya. Ndofunga pamanga muri mugomwe mafitarisa kabhora basi yange ichitooneka kubva pano patiri panapa kusvika kuMozambique is about 26 kilometers kubva panapa kuenda kuMozambique, 109 kilometers kunosvika kuna Zambezi. Ndikanyemba unongonzwa paTV ichitaurwa yeye ndo kwamuri kuenda ikoko. But what am I saying? Ndikuti nyama yese yamuri kudya kuHarare inobva kuno kuMbiri. Saka what am I saying? Ndikuti kuno kwakachipa mombe, kwakachipa mbudzi, kwakachipa huku. Saka ndikuti chiyapo ndikuti tine ma feedlots atiri kutengesa sembira radhisi yekuti munhu anouya zvisinga kunokonopisa. Saka kukura kwezvinhu kunoita easy. We are looking for investors, especially kunana hunyanu. Mouya torima. Then kukanyemba kwamuri kunzwa nezvako. Zvandakambonzwa vamwe vachitaura vanoti challenges and opportunity ukaitarisa. Ngatisangotarisa kuti road yandafamba yenge ine maguchu yakadii. Government is trying every effort. Even isusu district we are trying kuti tizvimakete. Rega nditi kwamuchaenda kumberi manzwa DDC vachitaura. Ndofunga musandimewo makona zvakanyorwa nava last week yaitaura zvima-petrified stones. Ende munosangana ne-petrified stone totoda investor nepa-petrified topatina naye. Then mukanosvika paango pabridge. Pane zviripo pamuchanoratidza pabridge papo. Pane anoziva tikangoti handi zvatinoona ma-potholes aya ari kuitwa neriver panenge ichifamba mvura. Muchanoona pakanaka ipapo. Muchanotaurirwa kunoku ndokuya kwamunonzwa kwakauya Mutapa. Handi makambonzwa nyaya yaMutapa iyayi. Ndokumbiri kwachikoma uye. If you go Kanyemba munotosangana nema-salt pans ariko ikoko. Salt yenye idiwa naMutapa. Unfortunately Mutapa haana kuzosvika kuti kuKanyemba. Angoperera mugomo imomo. Tuyu tuseri twamunonzwa nezvato is there. Saka what am I saying? Ndingoti maybe though awareness munisasa project we will come you kuti muite ma-investment. There is also another bed iri kumasoko inonzi Angola pet. Inongouya muZimbabwe chete this time of the season. Inongouya breed health care. Hakuna kumwe kwainowanikwa kwainouya muZimbabwe kunze kwekumasoka. Then kune nyaya dzema-dinospores. Ndifunge makambonzwa ma-dinospores. Kunotoratidza kuti iriko. If you go pamuchaenda pamana about 47 into mana unowana zvese. Then lastly tine imwe opportunity yekuya kuzongoona mhuka. Tine big five but one year the rhinoceros ndo yakabviswa. But 4 dzese idzi dzirimo dzakawandisa. Ndifunga munozofamba muchanzwa kuti vamwe vanenge vachizotaurawo kunzi problem animal yatinetsa tikudirwa nedzowanditi kuti isusu tinoimplementa inonzi campfire. Campfire zvainongorevera kuti isusu takatenda sedistrict togarisana nemhuka but dzine ma-problems adzinokonzeresa. But at the same time ma-communities waya andopiwa mari moso isiri mari chete. Even kuchengetedza kwari kuita masango ikoko tinotengesa nodzi ma-carbon credits. Vanhu vanopiwa mari toita ma-developments anachitaura aya. Besides anachitaura nyaya dzekuti toita devolution. We are also constructing tishandisa mari idzodzo dzekaripa carbon. Saka ndikungoti mimi I'm looking at you sema-investors. Ndanga ndichindwa kotaurwa mazita mamwe mahombe DDC andanzwa mukati umu. Would want you to come back. Mozouya muinvestor kumbiri. You are very welcome. Mastands tinawo. Isusu we a new district. Ndofunga muri kungoona muzvitu wedu is energetic even the staff yese iripo panapa. Isusu takatotambira SASA project yange ichitaura kuti bad publicity. Takatine bad publicity in over issues. Saka secouncil handiti isusu tinoti vanhu kana vachiita zve-GBV dzakawanda and so forth, kanzuro yacho haifambi zvakanaka. But we are saying kana zvinhu zvese zvikaredusa
because chimwe chaasina kutaurwa ndechekuti even DDC was operating kuguru yanditi but apa vapanapa zvinhu zvedu zvifamba zvakanaka. Sorry ndiri ndachidza
kungota vanga vadzima kare mamicrophone you're wasting time.
Handisi kureport, handisi kureport.
It's a joke.